Hello student. So this is a question that to restore clear vision in person whose size of the eyeball has reduced, he and or she is suggested to use suitable converging lens, diverging lens, bifocal lens and cylindrical lens. Okay, so these are the options given. So as we know that the power of lens is equal to 1 upon f. Okay, so power of lens is reciprocal of focal length. So he is saying that the eyeball has reduced. So eyeball has reduced means eyeball becomes thin. So when the eyeball becomes thin, then focal length will increase. Okay, so if focal length is increased by this formula, the power of lens is decreased. Now, which power is this? So in case of eye lens, this is the converging power. Okay, what is this? This is the converging power. Converging power. Okay, so what is happening if eyeball has reduced means it becomes thin. So if it becomes thin, then what happens? The focal length increases. So if focal length increases by this formula, power of lens means converging power decreases. Now we need to increase this converging power. Now to increase the converging power, we need to use which lens? As you know very well, the lens is convex lens. Okay, so the answer of this question is converging lens. Okay.